I used to think cats saw the world just like us. Turns out, I was way off. Did you know your kitty might be farsighted? Here's why cats see things differently. Cats don't see the world the way we do. While humans can see things clearly up close and far away, cats are a bit different. Most adult cats are actually a little farsighted. Yep, that means they see things better from a distance than up close. But don't worry, they can still spot a tiny bug crawling across the floor. Unlike us, cats don't read books or check their phones. So being a bit farsighted isn't a big deal for them. Fun fact, cats see better in dim light than we do, thanks to special cells in their eyes called rods. So, while your cat may not need glasses, their vision is perfectly designed for pouncing, not for reading. Next time your cat misses a treat, don't blame their eyesight, they're just being dramatic.